Hey guys, good morning. This is Jadison and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, since taon na punta ng uban, I'll be showing to you how I prep my skin every time I have hosting stints. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified on my next videos. And if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome to our growing community and hope you enjoy watching this video. Okay, now let's start. Every time I have a scheduled hosting stint, I always bring this one. Wow! This is not a Tito kit, but this is my, shall I say, grooming kit or bachelor's kit. Now, just a disclaimer guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Just learned this one all by my own. You know guys, in the event industry, paspasan talaga yung mga nangyayari. So there are times you're doing your makeup, you're preparing yourself, grooming and styling yourself, and while your coordinator is revising all the programs, there will be changes. Sometimes you are familiarizing your script while you're doing your own makeup. Now, at first guys, I'm very awkward to show you how I do my own makeup. But you know guys, being in this industry, I learned na why arte-arte guys. This is part of the job, so you need to go with the trend. And you know guys, or even mga male artists are doing their own makeup too, and they learn all by themselves because it's that's one of their bread and butter. Okay, so now let's start the kanan kong yaw-yaw. By the way guys, this makeup routine will just take you 5 minutes. However, this time again, I will challenge myself because I'll be discussing to you the latest trends and the current affairs here in the Philippines. Okay, first, I prep myself with this primer. I've been using a Jejo Aloe 99%. So, please, sa mga judger dira, ito ko yung i-bash dira because I'm not equal. So here, this one is a Marshall paste or a translucent paste, and all you need to do is to apply that one in your entire face. So this is to hydrate your skin and at the same time para dumikit yung makeup mo. Actually, konti lang talaga yung makeup guys. But you know, you'll have long exposure on stage and also exposure to heavy light. So dapat talaga na pang matagalan yung kapit ng makeup mo. So we'll just let it dry for at least 1 minute and we're good to go. Okay, so while I'm still drying my base, now let's start with the first topic. So it says here, gahi daw kuno og ulo ang mga taga Cebu according to Duterte. Well, I posted one on my socials and surprisingly, daghan gid ang nag-react. Di sila palabot ka magahig ulo. However, what made it funny is there are some who says here na, yes sir, gahi gid og mga ulo ning mga taga Cebu. Gahi gid kaayo. Ang pangutan-naan na if unsa pud nga ulo ni ilang pasabot. So shout out to Mr. Romel Menyoza. Unsa kani nga ulo? Naputa si Phil Cascante. He said nga, oh sir, mga gahig ulo pero humok og lawas. Well, humok yun og lawas no. Kay kabaw man sayaw, no, mga dancers man mga taga Cebu. And also ingon po si Miss Jean Osa. Yes sir, mga gahi yung mga ulo. Pero mo lagi na gahi gid daw kuno kaayo sa kaning gahi og ulo. And we also have Miss Jennifer po. She said na yes, gahi gid mga ulo ng mga taga Cebu. Nagsalig lang ka madam kay taga Miganilya. But yes guys, well apparently statistics shows that our COVID cases is increasing. So it's not a good indication na kita mga Cebu. Nagsugod man ko na itong mga binignit. Amot po din nyo kung ano, nagtapok mga tos carbon para ana inyong binignit. I'll be putting my concealer. So I've been using this one. This is Maybelline. I don't know because I'm not the one buying all my stuff. So I use this one to conceal all my chismis, all my imperfections. Grabe imperfections eh. But I usually put this one here around my eye because I have under eye. Also in the corner of my nose because I always have redness there. And also here because on my chin because I have discoloration here. Here. So I use that one here. And sometimes here. There, I have some red spots here. Here. So basically just concealing those maroking ko guys, no? Quite hesitant if I should do this one because I feel awkward showing this one to you, and it's just so timing as well because today is Sunday and I have a series of meetings today after the shoot. So ayun din, may purpose din. Okay, so now I'm done with my concealer. Now it's time to apply my foundation. Now, my foundation is also Maybelline, but I'm not sure with the shade of this one because again, I'm not the one buying my stuff. Then, so apply. So now let's proceed with the next topic. Clint Bundag. You know guys, at first I'm very curious who's this Clint. And it turned out that ex pala ito ni Catriona Gray na hindi nakapag-move on kaya naggawa ng mga cryptic message on his IG story. Now, you know guys, if hindi ka pa nakapag-move on sa relationship, better na manahimik ka na lang and deal it all by yourself or with your support system kasi hindi yan nakakatulong guys. And considering that you're a public figure, well, kung gusto niya talaga ng publicity, because good or bad publicity is still publicity. Wow! Nasa kanya talaga yun. And good thing din kasi it's quarantine and karamihan ng mga tao are bored, so they need some distractions. And thank you so much, Clint, for doing that one. Ay, nako. Buhay talaga. I'm done with my concealer. I'm done with the foundation. Next is the loose powder. So this is my favorite part. So actually, hinuhoard ko ito guys. This is Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder. And it's true, it's very magic. Kaya nakuhoard ako nito. For this one, ako talagang bumibili kasi I like the effect of this one. And this is what I'm excited of every time nag-makeup ako. So I usually put that one here kasi dito ako para magsiset yung foundation mo, and here as well as on this side. There. So tapos na. And I have this. This is my favorite brush kasi this is the magic brush that I've been using. Before we proceed is next topic are the frontliners and COVID mask testing. You know guys, I'm so thankful to all frontliners sincerely because they save us and they spare their lives and go out in the wild just to help us fight with this COVID-19. I can't imagine our life without these frontliners because sino namang magtatanggol sa atin sa COVID and will help us manage kasi lahat tayo takot talaga lumabas. So thank you so much. When it comes to COVID mask testing, in Fairview naman, the government have done their part baka yun lang talaga yung makakaya natin because we lack of resources. Way back November 23, if I'm not mistaken, our testing capacity was only 500. Way back April 27, it increases to 5,000 up until mating yung May, naging 10,000 daily na tayo. If I'm not mistaken with my research. Ganun. But, you know, our government did their best and, you know, gawin din natin yung part natin, guys. So now, I'm gonna wipe off this one because I'm just putting the powder para mag-set lang yung foundation natin. So, this is my favorite brush. I'm gonna remove that one and ta-da! Here, it's a bushy brush. This is just only a minor freshen up, guys. It's not really a major makeup, no. Have this lip balm to hydrate your lips. Just a small amount there, oh, and there. Ayan. Para natural color lang ng lips mo. Here. Next is the Duterte administration. You know, guys, when it comes to politics is really dirty. Under no circumstance na naging malinis yan. Because, you know, politics naging negosyo na rin yan eh. So, when it comes to the war against drugs, saludo talaga ako ni President Duterte when it comes to that one. But recently, when it comes to coordination, talagang nagme-mess up sila. Iba yung statement ni Duterte, iba yung perception ni Duterte, at iba din yung perception ng kanyang mga spokesperson. So, it ended up na yung spokesperson nila yung nag-a-adjust at parating nagde-defend kay President Duterte. It should not be the case. Dapat in unison sila nagtatrabaho. Ewan ko kay Duterte. Yun lang masasabi ko. If the event is outdoor, you could just have this kind of look. Pero hindi pa yan tapos yung hair ko, guys, ha. But, if your event is indoor, you need to put some contour. Because in indoor, nangangailangan yan ng lights. At saka yung lights, especially the spotlights, the colored lights, and the moving heads, ay init talaga yung mga lights niya, guys. And we use that one for aesthetic purposes. So, kapag tinatamaan ka na ng lights on stage, of course, nag-glow ka, pero yung nakikita ng mga tao is flat. So, walang mga dimension ng edges ng mga face mo. So, if it's indoor, you need to have some contour. So, I have this one, Careline Contour Stick. So, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. Here. So, I tell you guys, I'm not expert about this one. But here, again, you're gonna use this one if you have TV exposures or if your presentation needs lighting. But for ordinary day, you don't have to do this one. So, pwede ka nang lumabas, guys, na nakaganito. Joke lang. Lagay ka dito. Okay, tapos, i-blend mo yan. Na ganito. Now, for the last topic is ABS-CBN shutdown. You know, guys, this really makes my heart very heavy. Kesyo, baka sabihin nyo na, Jet is doing that statement because he's somehow biased with the network. Well, I'm just saying, guys, that my hosting career started in ABS-CBN, but it doesn't mean na bias ako. I love both I love all TV networks because alam nyo naman na I'm so fascinated with show business. Saludo talaga ako sa GMA when it comes to news, current affairs, as well as documentaries. Talagang saludo ako. But when it comes to entertainment, world-class entertainment, of course, undisputed talaga and undeniable na ABS-CBN considering their franchise and a tie-up with other international reality shows. But ganun talaga guys, law is law. I have to admit it one. Law is law. And marami naman talagang pagkukulang yung ABS-CBN guys. What really shook me was yung nangyari kay Weng Hidalgo na it took her 16 years para ma-regularize. Hindi yan tama guys. Meron talagang mga legalities na na-violate yung ABS-CBN. So, I agree with the law, hindi sila bigyan ng franchise grants to air because of those lapses. But you know, we are human guys, and please be kind to others. Maraming gutom ngayon at this time. So if there's any way that you could help other people, please do so. You may not show that one in social media, but please, in a discreet way, please help others. Okay? So I'm just blending the contour stick guys that I place here. So this will somehow give you an illusion here. At least may cheekbone ka, kasi if hindi ko ginawa ito during indoor here, see? May cheekbone ako. If hindi ko ito ginawa guys, magmukha akong Charis Pingpingko at Judy Ann Santos. There are 11,000 employees who lost their job during this pandemic, and you know, I feel sad. I hope ABS-CBN could do something for their employees. I believe they're already now in the process of retrenchment. So, yun, nakakalungkot lang talaga. But you know, law is law. Marami silang pagkukulang. They violated a lot of grounds. So, that's the consequences. And I feel sorry, and my heart goes out to those employees na nawalan ng work at this time. I love ABS-CBN. I love GMA. So, yun guys. See? May nose na ako. Tapos, I have contour here. Pero of course, to separate the face and the neck. After that, okay na. Bihis mo na ako. Ha? So, there you go guys. This is my makeup look every time I have my hosting stints. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's kind of awkward sharing this one to you, but I hope all of you have enjoyed. And for those gentlemen who need some upgrade on their look, you can try this makeup routine. I'm not really an expert, but this is what it works for me. And thank you so much. And now, I'm good to go for my series of meetings for today. Kaya ginawa ko na yung makeup na ito para multi-purpose na din. There. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please continue to stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. See you in my next vlog.